Menegasi ke bangiyo santali ki positif hapori bhai. Sau tali ki positif case ke bangiyo menemen met. Kidai ki basong basa hapo khatlai mer. Haneng jongka khanapara. Kini ki case ke bangiyo kidai bahaka arterik kejong uniu benai idan iwe inong song snong jong ke Meghalaya iwe stom ilet pha sumar sipo Guwahati hapor poi po Guwahati ki shimsha ka sampel pat ki phano I shiyeng janmet ki shamba ilong positif te napo kaliang ka Assam na Guwahati ki wan shao no I ki labu I hapo ke isolation hapo Guwahati ki pentip yaki Ribhoi district halor kani ke case but se iwe pada ide iba trace po Guwahati ilet phatesi po Guwahati kilap bilang positif ki bonoi I hapo isolation po Guwahati takadau kini kisangut nile tracing ya kitu baru arngut kini ki balong positif ki bala kira Guwahati ni fa ki sampel ni sayo ya kini ki saungut ki balong positif ke contact tracing halor jong kini ki saungut menta kadang ya po Ribhoi ringkat ru but ke rapid test random rapid test kala ya kelas dang nadu mene step but nginget scam ba ladangi don ganu ka positive case banta kasingin nang hamtip susu tambah kumakalong manta baro kini ki case ki bangiyo ngila ban account for nang no kiyo kumno kiyo mdai ba ki sio kumtu ngimla ban account kini saiwe bede ki banginang sio dang kamantan kidei ki idei contact high risk contact jong gitu ki case ki bayo positive now first index case hapo Khanapara B but kani ke contact tracing kadang ya menta te halor jong kini menta kamut ngidon arfun riungut ki positive cases ya kitu ki badan hapo Ribhoi ngilara hapo Corona Care Center ke badan hapo St. Paul's but ya kini ki badai hangni hapo Shillong kidon hi hapo PSF isolation center pat hapo ketu ke composite hospital arngut ki bangiyo napo East Khas Hills pada kidai napo BSF but arngut kidai napo ki contact ki badai napo Lingkhat but baro arngut menta kidon hapo ke isolation center ke badan hapo PSF hapo Umpling. Then with regard to East Khas Hills, the contact tracing of those positive cases at BSF hospital, 2 were found to be positive. And we have traced these particular persons who are already under quarantine. Both of them are from Lingkhat. They were brought here, kept under quarantine. Now we have got very less people there in Lingkhat from BSF side, and advisory was given to BSF doctor in charge that the samples be taken for all the BSF Jawans in Lingkhat remaining, so that we don't miss any case.